Hello everybody, what's happening? My name's Neil, welcome along to Midlife Motors, and this month there is absolutely no doubt that I am skint. However, there is no doubt that this car really needs some new wipers. And I was in the central aisle in Audi the other day, just having a look as you do, and I came across these universal wiper blades, £3.99 each. Now, if you go onto a well-known Mazda parts supplier, they'll want to charge you the best part of £20 each. So are these worth a gamble? Let's find out. Crikey, the temperature's dropping, and it's dropping fast. We'll need two sizes of blades for the MX5. We'll need an 18-inch for the driver's side, and we'll need a 19-inch for the passenger side. Fortunately, they do both though, so that's good. They're a universal fitment, but when you flip it round to the back, you can see the various attachments that I can hear rattling around in here, and you just choose the one that works with your car. Let's get them out, get them on, see if they're any good. Be careful when you open the box, because when you tip it out, the attachments that we were talking about, they'll all come out first. There's 8 of them. There they are. Oh, I recognize those ones. The push-in ones are for VW fitment. And in here should be there's our blade. And fortunately, the one that's fitted out of the box is exactly the one we need for the Mazda, so we don't have to mess around changing any of these. Even better. The good thing about an MX5 is they're the hook type wiper arms, so they're very easy to change. First things first, just unclip it, then you can lift it up, just pull it down away from you, pull it up, it's off. 2 ticks. Next we'll grab the new one, the one that came fitted with the size that works, which is great. Just remember to just squeeze it there, pinch it there, and unhook it, then slide the arm through, pull it back on itself so it's sitting in the hook, put it down. The last thing you've got to do is to shut the clip. Remember to remove the strip, repeat the same on the driver's side, and then we'll check, see if they work. As if by magic, the rain has started at exactly the time we want to test these, so let's go. 3, 2, 1. Working well, not smearing, no squeaking noises. Spot on. Happy with that. As you can probably see and hear, the rain really is on now. So I've jumped inside, I've checked the wipers myself. They're clearing the screen beautifully. So for £8, job done. Unfortunately though, I am still skint. Anyway, if this has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Please give us a like. If you want to hit subscribe, then that would be great too. I would much appreciate that. But for now, until the next time, thanks very much for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.